India corners Maoist rebels after decades long struggle. India has fought one of the world's longest running internal insurgencies, the Maoist or Naxalite movement. For decades, it challenged the Indian state across vast regions, earning the name Red Corridor. But today, India is finally turning the tide. With the recent elimination of Maoist Supreme Commander Nambala Keshav Rao Basavaraj, the movement is at its weakest point in history. This video will cover the history, causes, decline, and future of the Maoist movement. The Maoist movement originated in Naxalbari, West Bengal in 1967 as a peasant uprising inspired by Maoist ideology. Over time, it spread to Andhra, Bihar, Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, and Maharashtra. By the 2000s, the Maoists had reached their peak, controlling nearly 200 districts and engaging in guerrilla warfare, ambushes, and attacks on security forces. The movement was fueled by land alienation and exploitation of tribals, lack of governance, underdevelopment, and forest rights issues. The Maoists portrayed themselves as champions of Adivasi rights, filling the governance vacuum. This reflects the intersection of security, development, and social justice, a crucial aspect to consider for UPSC aspirants. The government launched Operation Green Hunt in 2009, a large-scale security offensive that marked a turning point in the conflict. The strategy combined development initiatives such as building roads, schools, and health facilities with security measures. A rehabilitation policy was also introduced for surrendered Maoists. The security forces gained a technological edge with the use of drones, satellite mapping, and better intelligence, which tilted the balance in their favor. Recent milestones include the 2010 Dantewada massacre, which shook India. But since 2016, Maoist influence has steadily declined. The movement's influence has reduced from 2 to 5 districts in 2010 to only 45 districts in 2024, according to the MHA data. The death of Keshava Rao in August 2025 has created a leadership vacuum. The Maoist movement is now restricted mainly to parts of Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and Jharkhand. While security forces have the upper hand, last mile challenges remain. Victory over the Maoists requires not just military might, but sustained governance, tribal empowerment, and land reforms. The neglect of development creates fertile ground for insurgencies, and this has implications for India's internal security challenges under GS Paper 3. The Maoist insurgency once posed India's greatest internal security threat, but today, India is on the brink of ending this decades-long conflict. Yet the challenge ahead is not just defeating rebels, but ensuring that tribal communities are empowered, integrated, and developed, so history does not repeat itself. In democracy, guns can silence for a while, but only governance can bring lasting peace.
Geography Optional Foundation course by Shabir Sir, where you will get live interactive classes and course completion in a module based approach. Scan the QR code and join now.